Okay, the next test that we're going to do is look at pH. And so within the test kit, again, we're looking for a color change, and in the pH test kit, it comes with two different octave views, if you will. And so we're going to go ahead and just put the more acidic one off to the side. Experience has shown that the pH in this particular body of water is not going to be acidic, it's going to be more alkaline because of the underlying limestone. And so knowing that, we can go ahead and look at the more alkaline colors. Now, if you are in an area where you don't know, it's perfectly fine. I mean, you can switch them out. They're very easy to switch out. So knowing what I know about this river, I'm going to go ahead and just put the alkaline slide in there. So as you can see, we'll eventually add our test tube to this, but we're looking for a color match with this. Sometimes it's not a perfect match. Sometimes it's in between, and it's okay on your data sheet to put, if it falls between 8 and 8.5, it's okay to put that range. It's also okay to put 8.25 if you feel like it's somewhat in between those two. Alright, so this is a fairly straightforward test in that we're going to get 10 milliliters of water. We don't have to cap this underwater. It's not like dissolved oxygen, but we are going to get 10 milliliters, and we're going to add 10 drops of this indicator, and that's it. We're going to put 10 drops in, mix it up, and then look for that color change. And this one is easy, to overfill it, just because the 10 milliliter line is close to the top, and it's easy to knock too much out. It happens to everybody. Perfect. All right, so with this, I'm going to add 10 drops. Here we go. And I'm just going to mix it up so that it's evenly distributed. And you can tell it's a green color, so that's another checkpoint for you. If you look on the alkaline color slide, there are more greens on there, so you can kind of use that initially to figure out which one you want. So what I want to do is I want to hold it up, and I'm comparing my test tube to the color slide over here, and I feel pretty confident in saying that the pH here is 7.5.